Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review. And today, I have the Anker 757 Portable Power Station. This product provides 1,500 watts of external charging and operating capabilities to keep all of your thirsty portable electronics fully charged on your next outdoor adventure. Now, before I get too deep into all the features this product provides, I always like to start with an unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and that way you'll understand exactly what you get if you buy the product. And then I'll dive into the features because Anker has built a product that really provides an incredibly good way of carrying extra energy with you out in the field, again, to charge and operate all of your portable devices. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the power station. You'll also find 3 charging kits. An AC charging kit you can use to charge the unit at home, a DC charging kit you can use in your car, and a solar panel charging kit that allows you to connect up to 3 100-watt solar panels directly to the unit to charge it with nothing more than sunlight. Also in the kit, you'll find a cover for the unit, which is really handy if you're out camping. You can put the cover on it to protect it from the elements. You'll find a full instruction manual that explains everything you could possibly want to know about this product, how to charge it, how to use it, how to transport it. It's got a 5-year warranty, so there's a warranty card included. And then finally, they include a response card which has happy on one side and not happy on the other. And I think that's a brave move to include a card like this, because if you're happy with the product, they list a few ways that you can tell your friends about it. But if you're not happy with the unit, there's contact information that allows you to get a hold of the company to have all of your questions answered. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the power station. It's a 1,500 watt unit, which means it provides up to 1,500 watts of continuous power that allows you to operate and charge all of your external devices. The internal capacity is 1,229 watt hours, and that's a lot of energy in a portable power station like this. So this is perfect for a couple of days out camping, or if you're doing a long road trip and you have a lot of portable devices you'd like to charge from the unit. Now, as far as charging the unit goes, as I mentioned, there are 3 options. You can charge it at home, and Anker's built in a fast charging circuit where essentially you'll plug this into a wall outlet, you'll plug this directly into the back of the unit, and you can charge this unit to 80% of its full capacity in less than an hour. And that's absolutely incredible because most power stations this big really take a couple of hours to fully charge them. So that fast charging capability really allows you to charge it quickly and get out and start your adventure. If you're out in the field, you can charge it from your car as well. It takes a little bit longer from the car because you can't draw as much current from your car battery, because of the chances of actually killing that battery by pulling too much energy out of it and not being able to start your car. So it takes a little longer in your car. That's a great way to top it off when you're driving between locations. And then finally, one of my favorite way to charge it is to use the solar panel kit, because if you're out camping, you can bring a couple of foldable solar panels along with you, set those up outside your tent or outside your cabin, connect it up to the charger, the charging cable, and plug it into the power station. And in a couple of hours, you can top this thing off to 80 or 100% with nothing more than sunlight, which is really nice. So once you have the unit charged, another consideration when you're comparing one power station against another is the type of battery chemistry inside the unit. This unit uses lithium iron phosphate batteries, which is the latest battery technology, and that's important because a lot of other power stations on the market use standard lithium polymer technology, which works okay, but it doesn't hold on to a charge as long. It's also really temperamental, the lithium polymer is, to different temperatures. It doesn't do real well when it's hot, and doesn't do real well when it's cold. It also can only have a certain number of charging cycles, a couple of hundred. With the lithium iron phosphate batteries inside this unit, these are very tolerant to hot weather, cold weather, and you can get well over 3,000 charge cycles out of them, which means you'll have this unit for well over 10 years and still have plenty of life left in those batteries. Inside the unit, there's also a battery management system that very carefully charges those batteries and monitors how the batteries are being charged, how they're performing, if there are any errors with the batteries, and that helps to extend the life as well. Now, once you have the batteries fully charged, how do you get the energy out of the unit? And that's a really important consideration when you're comparing this to other units out there in the field. And you want to make sure that any portable power station you're considering has an AC circuit, a DC circuit, and a USB circuit. And this has all 3 in the unit. So on the front of the unit, you'll find 6 full-sized AC ports on the front. 3 of those are grounded, 3 are ungrounded, but between them, you can draw 1,500 watts out of the unit, and you can surge to 2,400 watts. So if you plug something in, like a hand drill, or a blender, or a compressor-based item like a cooler, it's going to draw a little bit more current when it first turns on, and the fact that this unit can handle a surge up to 2,400 watts means you're not going to have any issues. A lot of other portable power stations on the market limit the current to that 1,500 watts or whatever wattage they're rated for, and if you exceed that, you're going to pop a breaker. Here you've got a little extra surge protection built in. As far as the DC goes, you'll find a single 12-volt outlet on that side, exactly the same as is in your car. You can draw up to 10 amps at 12 volts out of that one outlet. So it gives you plenty of power to plug in pretty much anything you plug into your car into this power station and operate it when you're out in the field. Also included are 4 full-size USBA ports. Each of those ports will deliver 5 volts at 2.4 amps, and that's individually in each of the ports, because a lot of the power stations on the market may give you a collection of USBA ports, but when they specify what kind of current you can draw out of them, that's for all the ports together as a collective. With this one, each of those ports will deliver 5 volts at 2.4 amps, so you can charge anything you would plug in at home to a USB charger into those ports and quickly charge that device. In addition to that, there are 2 USBC ports above it that are both PD or power delivery ports, which means if you connect up a device that's a power delivery device, a quick charging device, that port will interrogate the product you've plugged in. It'll determine really quickly how much current and voltage that product needs to fully charge it, and it'll adjust the voltage and current to safely and quickly charge that device. You have 2 of those ports on there. One of them can deliver 100 watts of charging power. The other one is a 60-watt port. That's a tremendous amount of power. And what that means is you can plug things in like laptops or larger tablets or drone batteries or game consoles, things that draw a lot of electricity to charge them. You can easily charge from those 2 ports. Also included is a courtesy light up top. That light is really handy if you're out camping and you want to plug something in. You can tap that button and turn the light on. There are 3 settings on the light, low, medium, and high. And there's also an SOS setting. If you hold this button for 2 seconds, it'll go into SOS mode and start strobing SOS, which is really handy if you need help when you're out in the woods or if you've broken down on the side of the road. Just put this down on the ground, put it in SOS mode, and that'll let oncoming traffic know that you've had some issues. Finally, there's a full LED display in the front that shows you everything you could possibly need to know about the unit, how much energy is left in the unit, how long you can operate the products that are plugged into the unit off the energy that's left. You can see the inrush current when you're charging it, and you can see the total amount of power you're drawing out of the unit. So everything you need to know is right there in the front. To charge the unit around back, there's a little door right here that opens up, and you'll find 2 connectors in there. The AC kit plugs in here. The DC kits, both the car charger and the solar panel charging kit, plug in here. And that's an advantage because a lot of other power stations on the market require an external brick that actually converts the AC from your home to DC to charge the unit, and those bricks are wildly inefficient, so you're wasting a lot of energy charging the unit. The fact that you can charge this directly from an outlet means that you're going to charge it quicker, and you don't have to worry about carrying that extra brick around with you. You just use the standard AC kit. Everything you need to get started is included with the product. I think they did a great job building a product that's incredibly durable. It's really portable. They've got these heavy-duty handles on the top. They've also got an aluminum frame inside, so it's incredibly durable and really the perfect solution if you're going to spend some time out camping or you're hiking or you're a tradesman that has to go out and do work in the field, electricians, carpenters, plumbers. It's the perfect solution for anything you need where you've got to bring portable power along with you. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I like this product an awful lot. I've used it for quite some time, and I think you'll like it as well. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.